Take a ride in the 2009 Cobalt. The Chevy Cobalt has awesome fuel economy, smooth ride, quiet cabin, and excellent performance. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, multifunctional information center, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, center console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.